Hi friends! You may have seen this little chick in my shorts. This is Pixel, and today I will show you how to crochet him. This is a cute and beginner-friendly amigurumi tutorial, so let's get started. For this project, you will need yellow yarn, orange yarn, a crochet hook, fiber fill stuffing, safety ties, a yarn needle, and scissors. Let's start with the body. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet inside the ring. Round 2. Increase in every stitch around. Round 3. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. Round 4. 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 5. 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 6. 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 7. 5 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 8. 6 single crochet, 1 increase. From rounds 9 to 20, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. No increases here. Place a safety eyes between rounds 10 and 11, then add a little stuffing. Round 21. 6 single crochet, 1 decrease. Round 22. 5 single crochet, 1 decrease. Round 23. 4 single crochet, 1 decrease. Round 24. 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. Round 25. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease all around. Round 26. Decrease all around. Add more stuffing and shake the body gently. Then, use a yarn needle and go through the front loops, only to close the opening smoothly. Now let's make the wings. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet. increasing every stitch around. One single crochet, one crease around. From rounds 4 to 6, work one single crochet in each stitch around. Next round, one single crochet, one decrease all around. Flatten the wing and close it with 6 single crochet. Make 2 wings. Now, let's make the tail and the little crest. Start with the magic ring, chain 4, and work slip stitches back starting in the second chain from the hook. Make 1 stitch into the ring, then repeat the same process 2 more times. You will have 3 little points. Leave a long tail for sewing. Next, let's make the legs. We will make 2. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet. Increasing every stitch around. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Round 4, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease around. Flatten the piece and close it with 4 single crochet, make 2. Now let's make the beak. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet. In round 2, make 1 increase, then 2 single crochet, another increase, and finish with 2 single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch and leave a long tail for sewing. Now it's time to assemble everything. Take your time and place each piece where it looks cutest to you. And here he is, the cutest little chick. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more his adventures, let me know in the comments. Should I make his girlfriend from the Wi-Fi world next? Or a friend from the water world?